Bitcoin has continued to dip over the weekend, losing almost 17% of its price in less than 48 hours, and nearly 50% of its November all-time price of $69,000. The highest crash occurred in the early hours of January 22 when prices plunged to almost $34,000, the lowest in around 6 months. As expected, there is increased fear amongst investors, and many people want to know when the dip will end. The flagship cryptocurrency should be having a better year, all things considered. The effects of the Chinese mining ban of 2021 have all but ended. The sell-off from Chinese exchanges is over, with most having zero cryptocurrencies in their balance sheets. Bitcoin mining has also recovered and reached a new all-time high of 183 exahash, but prices have continued to dip. Welcome to Savvy Finance. This video examines the current crypto market situation and what the leading analysts are saying about the dip. We'd also take a look at El Salvador's latest attempt to buy the dip despite current market situations. Please ensure you watch the video to the end, click the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your continued support. The market is down and Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency taking the heat. Ethereum and other digital currencies are also tanking badly. Ethereum started the year at over $3,688 and it currently trades at just over $2,400. That is a 33% price decline between January 1 and January 22, with 12% occurring in less than a day. Binance is also down by almost 10%, while Cardano, Solana, and Dogecoin are down by 8.6%, 12.4%, and 7%, respectively. Shiba Inu has also had a massive drop of over 18% in the past 24 hours. The U.S. stock market is also taking hit after hit. Gold and silver continue to plunge, and inflation is at its peak. But leading investors like Plan B, Michael Saylor, and Tyler Winklevoss believe you should be taking advantage of the current market situation to strengthen your position. A quick tour of their Twitter accounts shows a series of encouraging tweets for retail investors, while Cameron Winklevoss wants investors to stay calm and HODL. His identical twin brother, Tyler Winklevoss, has taken to his Twitter account to congratulate everyone that is willing to brave the market to buy even more cryptocurrencies. His January 22 tweet reads, "Congrats to everyone buying and HODLing today." According to Forbes, Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss both have almost $3 billion worth of cryptocurrency holdings. They also founded Gemini, a digital currency exchange and custodian that allows customers to buy, sell, and store digital goods. MicroStrategy co-founder and CEO has also taken to his Twitter account to weigh in on the issue. The entrepreneur and business executive stated that the correct time horizon for holding Bitcoin is at least 4 years in the short term and 10 years in the midterm. His tweet reads, "If you were going to invest in Bitcoin, a short time horizon is 4 years, a mid-time horizon is 10 years, and the right time horizon is forever." In a recent interview, Saylor states that the company has not regretted choosing Bitcoin above other cryptocurrencies. In fact, MicroStrategy, which already holds over $3 billion worth of Bitcoin, plans to buy more Bitcoins in the future. Here is a short clip of Saylor's interview.
And if they've got their assets in banks, they're going to have them seized. They can't buy the equity. So the real story here is digital property that solves a problem that 8 billion people face.
The big question is, then, are you going to buy more? Yes or no?
Yeah, we're going to buy more. We're buying more with our cash flows. We've adopted a Bitcoin standard, Emily. That means that when we generate cash, we sweep it into Bitcoin. We've been generating, anywhere from $70 to $100 million of cash flow. So we will also buy Bitcoin with debt. We bought Bitcoin with $1.7 billion worth of convertible debt. We bought Bitcoin with a $500 million senior secured note that we pay 6 1/8% interest on. We also issued $1 billion worth of equity at the market, and we converted it all into Bitcoin. So combinations of cash flow, equity, debt, potentially through other partnerships.
Leading Bitcoin analyst Plan B also believes people should hold on to their cryptocurrencies rather than panic about the market situation. The anonymous investor and leading member of the Twitter cryptocurrency community reminded his almost 2 million followers that HODLing is never a smooth path, especially when one is dealing with an asset with Bitcoin's level of volatility. On January 21, just before the massive crash, Plan B tweeted this picture of a cyclist first cycling through a smooth path, then cycling through one with many obstacles and falls. Plan B captions the first picture as what people think it is like to HODL, and the second picture, what it is actually like to HODL. Like Michael Saylor, Plan B tells investors to HODL and expect a few pitfalls on the road to network adoption. The government of El Salvador must have taken Plan B's advice because the Central American country has purchased an additional 410 bitcoins for $15 million. The country's president broke the news on his Twitter account on January 21. Quoting a January 14 tweet in which he stated that he might have missed the dip, President Bukele announces that he didn't miss the dip and was able to get over 400 bitcoin for just $15 million. Here is the president's tweet. "No, I was wrong, didn't miss it. El Salvador just bought 410 bitcoin for only $15 million. Some guys are selling really cheap. The latest purchase is the country's biggest and cheapest purchase so far. It brings El Salvador's total bitcoin holdings to 1,801 bitcoin. More countries like Turkey and Tonga are also expected to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender in 2022. What's your time horizon for holding Bitcoin, and how has this crash affected your holdings of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? Please share in the comment section below. Also, remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.